You can hide apps on your iPhone just like that within few steps. Go to the App Store and search Cloak and install it. Open the app, tap on continue, again continue, tap on allow with Face ID and then tap on done. To select the apps which you want to hide, go to choose apps. But before that, I want to show you the apps that I want to hide. I'm gonna hide 3 apps from my social media apps section. Now open Cloak and go to choose apps. Tap on choose. Then in social category, I'm gonna select Instagram, Threads and Twitter and tap on done. Then again tap done and tap on hide. This setting prevents the app which we have hidden to go back to the home screen when we unhide the app. So we have to manually drag the app back to the home screen. If you do not want to go through the process, you can skip this and tap on continue. And now the apps are hidden. As you can see, when I go into my app library, the 3 apps are hidden from my social media app section and also from my home screen. It won't even show if you search in the app library. For example, let's search Instagram. The app is hidden. One more awesome feature about this app is that you can hide apps if you leave from one location or hide apps if you reach to a specific location. For example, if you allow location access to the app, you can create a safe zone by tapping on plus sign above and set a diameter circle of 200 meters. So when you leave the area, the selected apps are automatically hidden. And when you add location on restrict zone, for example, your workspace, you can hide social media apps to be hidden by this app, which I found to be a very good feature. You can even schedule the day and time at which you want to hide the app. And when you go back to the settings tab, you can set custom passcode to open the app so others won't change any settings. Below you can even set Face ID to unlock the app. You can even change the icon to disguise others. The free version of this app allows you to hide up to 3 apps and create one group, but you can pay a one-time charge of $7.99 or rupees 7.99 after you use the free version and find it useful.